Weather from where you live.
Our ring of fire weather pattern. We've got a big ridge of heat right here in the center part of the U.S. with near record-breaking temperatures with clusters of storms all pinwheeling around this big dome of heat. A lot of times you see this in July and August, not necessarily in early June. Notice the storms on the periphery near the Gulf Coast. There's a cluster here dropping south. And we've got other storms working their way around it. But this storm system right here will begin to pivot eastward, and it will swing a cold front through here on Thursday and Friday. That'll give us some relief by the weekend and could even bring at least some severe weather. Notice the hazy Renaissance cam right now with the intense heat. The record, at least here in West Lafayette, 101 for today, set 1933. So far, we've hit 96, 95 right now, 97 at Monticello. 97's Winnemac, Rensselaer, and Remington, as well as Pence, and it's 93 currently at Frankfort. And the heat index upper 90s to right around 100. The hot spot, Remington, feels like 103 right now. Still staying hot through the evening, 90 still at 9 o'clock and 82 at 11. Not much relief tonight, lows 70 to 75. Another hot day for tomorrow. The heat index 100 to 105 before the severe weather threat may impact us Thursday into Friday. Cooler and less humid by Saturday and Sunday before the heat arrives by next week. Notice lows tonight, though, again, 70 to 75. Very muggy, area-wide, 73 Monticello and Lafayette, 75 Pence, and with a very warm night like this and still soil moisture, you can almost hear the corn growing, the corn that's in the ground on a night like this. And notice highs tomorrow in the 90s once again, 97 Lafayette, 97 Fowler, and 95 Logansport and Burlington, kind of similar to what we had today. And after being in the sticky range with our dew points today and tomorrow, we'll get oppressive for Thursday and Friday with the storm threat, and then we're back in the pleasant range by the weekend. So even though it's going to be in the 80s over the weekend, at least the humidity dropping a lot, and we've got a couple of relatively cool nights in the forecast. So let's track the severe threat for now anyway. Again, we're capped tomorrow, 97 for the high temperature, but here comes the front on Thursday, 93 and windy. There's some question as to where exactly the main severe threat's going to set up, how much severe weather there's going to be, and the exact timing. But I can tell you it's looking more like a afternoon, evening type event, and then we may have another round on Friday, and we'll be able to kind of hone in where the best chance of severe weather is in the coming days for Thursday and Friday, and then 83 degrees on Saturday. And it cools off Saturday night with that very dry air in place, 54 degrees for the low temperature, 57 on Sunday night, 90 though back by Monday and Tuesday with high humidity. But we will have to watch that severe weather threat Thursday and Friday. And I tell you what, even next week, it looks like we may have a severe weather threat that evolves. It seems like any time we get a chance of storms around here, it always involves severe weather. And again, no different in this 7-day forecast.
Okay, Chad, thank you.
Yes.
You're going to go outside and listen to the corn grow tonight, aren't you?
I am going to do that, yeah.
I love that. Well, there's more turmoil in Libya this afternoon as that country's leader now has vowed to fight to the death.
And the European Union is prepared to give farmers more than $200 million after wrongly identifying them as the source of the recent E. coli outbreak.